think he's filming a little bit, but I'm not really trying to rush him or anything. But yeah, that's it. Bye.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Cameron here. Welcome back to another video. Obviously, as you can still tell, not at school, still sick. I'm basically here just to keep the content, rolling. It's been a lot of days in a row on my schedule. I don't know if Zoe filmed at all, but I guess I'll try to keep it going here for a little bit. Check out my channel, SF space Cameron SB with a K. I think this is day 8 or 9 in a row. That's crazy. I wish I could say I would know when I'm getting better, but I don't. This could be like a month thing, but hopefully it just goes till Monday. So yeah, then we can get back to normal, regular stuff. So if you guys like this video or any other videos on our channel, please hit that like button. If you don't mind also hitting that subscribe button with this post notification turned on. It's free, so there's no reason not to do it. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later.
Oh, shit, that is pretty. Oh, wait a second, one more time. Like and subscribe. Oh, like